Praise be to Jesus. Anglican Church of New Zealand votes to allow blessing of same-sex relationships. Well, here are some more examples of modernism being welcomed in Christian churches. Motion 29, as the provision is called, preserve the Church's teaching that marriage is solely a union between one man and one woman, but opens the door for individual bishops to offer a non-formulary service which will allow for gay couples to be blessed. The changes also will remove disciplinary action for clergy who agree to offer such blessings. The U.S.-based Episcopal Church and the Scottish Episcopal Church are two other major Anglican communion churches that have decided to offer blessings to same-sex couples, though unlike the Anglican Church in New Zealand, they have also changed their definition of marriage to include gay couples. The Church of England, which is headed by Justin Welby, the Archbishop of Canterbury and leader of the Anglican Communion, continues to affirm the definition of marriage as between one man and one woman. Well, that's one article. Here's another one. The United Methodist Church Council of Bishops has endorsed a proposal to soften the denomination's stance against homosexuality in order to prevent schism. And there's much more to both articles if you care to read more about all this. These are just some of the examples that I see every week when I look through the Christian Post online. And so the Christian churches are really allowing themselves to be, to welcome modernism, and, the enemy is alive and active all throughout Christianity. Well, the links will be in the description box.